Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to generate images using Google Gemini and also how to edit a generated image. This is a very useful feature because you can create original images just by describing what you want in normal language. And if the first image is not perfect, you can easily refine or edit it with follow-up prompts. So let us see the complete process step by step. First, open Google Gemini in your browser. Once Gemini opens, go to the prompt box at the bottom. Now before typing the prompt, click the plus icon near the prompt box. From the available options, select Create Image. This tells Gemini that we want to generate an image. Now click inside the prompt box and describe the image clearly. For this demo, I will enter this prompt. Create a realistic image of a futuristic smart city with green buildings, electric cars, and AI-powered robots helping people. Now let us send the prompt. Gemini starts generating the image based on our description. After a few moments, you can see the generated image in the conversation. Now this is a good point to explain the response. Gemini has taken the main elements from our prompt like futuristic city, green buildings, electric cars and robots and combined them into one visual scene. So this shows how Gemini converts a text description into an image. Now let us say I like the image but I want to improve it. Maybe I want a more dramatic look. Maybe I want more trees. Maybe I want a different time of day. This is where image editing becomes useful. Now I will enter a follow-up prompt like this. Edit this image and make it more cinematic. Change the scene to sunset, add more trees and parks, and make the city look more colorful. Now let us send the prompt. Gemini updates the image based on the new instruction. Now the response should show a refined version of the same concept, but with a sunset atmosphere, more greenery, and a richer visual style. This is very useful because you do not need to start again from scratch. You can generate one image first, review it, and then keep improving it through follow-up editing prompts. Let us try one more simple edit. I will enter this prompt. Edit the image and make it look like a professional 3D illustration for a presentation slide. Now Gemini changes the style of the image. So not only can we change objects and background details, but we can also change the artistic style. That means you can create realistic images, illustrations, presentation style graphics, blog visuals, social media images, and much more. The main idea is simple. First, click the plus icon, select Create Image. Then write a clear prompt describing what you want. Review the generated image. And if needed, use follow-up prompts to edit the image, change the style, or improve the overall look. So let us quickly recap. Open Google Gemini. Click the plus icon in the prompt area. Choose Create Image. Enter your image prompt. Generate the image. Then use another prompt to edit or refine it. This is one of the easiest ways to create and improve images using Google Gemini. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.